What's up mga basketball? Long time no see. It's been a while. Yeah. When I checked the last video, the unboxing video that I've done, it was already 6 months ago. So half a year. So I have to welcome myself again. And you guys, to my 235 subscribers, thank you very much po. And I'm really sorry kung ngayon lang naman po ako mag-unbox. Of course, I've been so busy sa trabaho po at nag-travel po tayo sa Tokyo and Osaka sa Japan po. So, if you're watching my videos po, makikita nyo po yung mga shorts na pinag-upload ko po dito sa YouTube and at the same time sa TikTok. Yung about all the events or what I have seen in Japan, right? So kung mayroon po kayong oras, you can watch it also. Anyways, again, today po we're going to do some unboxing. As you will notice po, dahil po sa medyo matagal po tayong hindi nakapag-unbox, kaya po naipunan po tayo. Look. Here we go mga basketball. Simula po tayo sa Jordan 3 with luminous green. Okay. So as you will notice, maganda po yung leather. Kaya po, of course, I decided to get one. And also mga basketball, discounted po to. Alright? So it is like almost 50% off. So, of course, bakit hindi? So, and also, pwede pong pang araw-araw ko. Alright? So, maganda po ang leather niya. Okay? So, of course, Jumpman po. Instead po, pag hindi po siya OG, kasi po ang OG, of course, mayroon po siyang Nike Air. Okay? So, ang nagustuhan ko po dito, of course, the materials. Right? Ganda po siya. Okay? So, I decided na I will use this in my daily activities, right? So pag magmo-malling po ako, so definitely I can use this Jordan 3, okay? Right, mga basketball? So, of course, wala na po tayong dapat sabihin. It's a Jordan 3, okay? So I consider this as a lifestyle shoe. But I think we can use it in playing basketball, right? Okay. Okay mga basketball, of course, ito po yung pinaka-paborito ko pong Jordan 3. Aside po ng white cement, of course, yun pong black cement. Okay? It is a Jordan 3 black cement. So kung Jordan fan po kayo, of course, and also Air Jordan collector, Air Jordan basketball shoes collector, so of course dapat po nasa stock niyo po to. Okay? Okay, let's do it mga basketball. Alright. Okay. See, mga basketball, tingnan nyo naman mga basketball. OG, Nike Air, right? Of course, pula po ang kanyang tang, yung Jumpman. Okay. Wala na pong masasabi. I love this shoe. Very simple, but very iconic. Right? What's up mga basketball? Yun lang po masasabi ko. Okay. Anyways, thank you very much po sa aking 235 subscribers. Sa hindi pa po subscriber, please do hit subscribe. And of course, hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo kung mayroon po akong bagong video. Okay. Have a closer look, mga ka-basketball. Right? Ibang ganda. Okay. Ooh, yes. Okay, thank you very much again. And see you whenever.